Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Now, the concern over Jamaica's track and field future raised by 11-time world champion Usain Bolt has been echoed by two of the nation's senior coaches, Stephen Francis and Maurice Wilson. Keon Rayner got their reactions.
This is the comment made by double sprint world record holder Usain Bolt on Monday that has stirred the debate.
A lot of the athletes aren't motivated anymore. When they leave high school and they get a big contract, then they're happy with whatever. So for me, hopefully these athletes can motivate themselves because we're not lacking of talent.
Maurice Wilson, who has served as either head coach or technical leader of the nation's track and field team since 2013 to global meets, agrees with Bolt.
Well, I've been making similar comments over the last 3 years. I have seen where we are not having our junior athletes performing, when they move to the senior ranks, performing as consistent as the group from 2008 to about 2011. And it is of serious concern.
Coach Stephen Francis, who has conditioned sprinters Shelley and Fraser Price and Delane Thompson, as well as hurdlers Melaine Walker and Bridget Foster Hilton to Olympic and/or World Championships glory, says the level of male sprinting talent since Bolt and Ewan Blake has not been great.
In addition, I think the athletes have been led astray, in my opinion, by a combination of some shoe companies, their coaches at high school, and probably the parents, in that everybody believes that, looking at, I guess, Bolt and Blake, they believe that it was easy or almost a done deal for them to make a transition into where Bolt and Blake were.
Coach Wilson, who is also the acting principal of GC Foster College, pointed to the worrying trend of high schoolers receiving professional training too early.
So the coaches now are the ones that we need to pay careful attention to. They need to understand that similarly to how you may teach a subject and you move from one level to the next, it's the same in terms of the training, the periodization of the training of these youngsters. We cannot train junior athletes, like senior athletes.
While pointing to the nation's diversification into other events like the discus and the hurdles, Coach Francis posited that athletes moving away from tried and tested coaches and receiving big contracts out of high school is a part of the problem.
When you combine that with the fact that in most of those cases, those athletes go to what I would call unproven environments, right? Some of them stay at their high school. Some of them go to other areas. I mean, it is not. I think a lot of people would have learned by now that this is not a simple thing to progress an athlete to the top of the world.
Jamaica only managed 4 medals, including 1 gold and 3 bronze at the last World Championships in 2017. Keon Rayner reporting for TVJ Sports.